Hey guys, Hot Wheels Playaz 736 here today and welcome to another video. So today I'm actually unboxing something that I have ordered online, and I have actually opened the bag because I didn't really know what it was. But I assure you I have not actually looked at the contents of what's in it, but I do know what it is. So I ordered this off Cash Converters Webshop, so if you don't know, you can buy some stuff from Cash Converters on the web. So I'll just show you here. I just need to get rid of all my personal info. So this is just the receipt here, whatever it is. So it says I have ordered a Hot Wheels Ferrari. I don't even know if there's any point showing this. Hot Wheels Ferrari 5-car pack for $8 with $4 postage. So total of $12, which I think is a very good deal because 5 packs are $10 in Australia. And this is a vintage Ferrari pack. And so if you didn't know, Hot Wheels do not make Ferrari anymore. They lost the license, so the value of Ferraris has gone up a lot. So yeah, I have actually not really taken a good look at the cars in here because I wanted it to be a surprise. It came packed in a express post bag, and I'm hoping it's in alright condition. If it's in really bad condition, you know, I'll just have to open it up. But yeah, I suppose that's just what happens in life, you know. Some things get damaged and you've got to open them. So yeah, I thought this was a bargain for $8, and I'm very happy that I did actually pick it up. And wow, this is nice. So here we have the Ferrari 5-pack. So when is this actually from? 2008 it says. This is copyright, so it's probably from maybe 2009. As you can see, Cash Converters sticker, $8. So some very nice models in this pack, I've got to say. I don't know if I'm going to open it because I'm not sure how much these cars are worth out of the package. Luckily this is coming off nice and easy, and it's actually revealing another price tag, but unfortunately I can't see the actual original price tag because it actually just came off then. I'll leave that one on there actually. So we have some very nice models here. I'm not even that up to speed with all my Ferrari models because I started collecting in 2015, so that means I've been collecting for 3 years now. It's actually New Year's Day today, so that's, yep, 3 years basically. So I started collecting right at the start of the year in 2015. Alright, there we go. So yeah, I really didn't see many of the Ferrari models. I only saw the Ferrari 599XX and the Ferrari 488 Italia. I don't even know what it's called. But here we have some very, very, very nice models here. I really do like that black Ferrari there. Let me zoom in for you guys. There we go. Yeah, I wish they had the names on the back because I really don't want to open it. Maybe I'll just go do some research and come back right here and tell you what they are. Hey guys, I'm just looking on Hot Wheels Wiki, which is probably my favourite spot to look at information for Hot Wheels cars. Sorry about the weird screen sort of flickering effect. I really don't want to do a screen capture for this because it's not really worth it. It looks like there was actually 2 Ferrari 5-packs released in 2009, and this is the first one, I think, yep. Alright, so I'll just read out these names here. So the first one at the top here, what we have is a, you can't really see it, it is a Ferrari 599 GTB. Here's a good, nice, big picture of it for you guys. Very nice stuff. And the next one we have here, the black one that I really liked, is the Ferrari F355 Spider in black. That's got to be my favorite one. The next one here, the one in red, is the Ferrari 550 Maranello. The next one, which is the yellow one, is the Ferrari 365 GTB-4. And the last one in the pack, another red one, is a Ferrari 456M. So there we go. So I'm so sorry guys that I do not really have the best information on these Ferraris and this 5-pack in general, but I just thought you guys would be interested to see what I have actually picked up off of the Cash Converters website, because it is Hot Wheels related. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. So check out my channel for more content like this, like and subscribe. Bye for now. So one more thing, if you guys do know how much this 5-pack is worth, could you please tell me in the comment section below, because the only thing I found on eBay is one listing for $50, which I think is a bit of a, like one of those listings you just see and it's just very overpriced. But maybe it's not, and this is actually how much it's worth. So yeah, thanks.